ants won't be back for several years, and you'll get rid of both ants and aphids with 100% effectiveness. Start by grabbing one green cucumber and cut it into small slices. Now drop the pieces into a blender. Add 1 cup of vodka. It helps extract some of the cucumber compounds while giving the mixture a fast-drying base. Blend everything until the cucumber is completely broken down. Now strain the mixture through a fine sieve. We only want the liquid, so remove as much of the pulp as possible to keep the spray bottle from clogging. Next, add 2 tablespoons of liquid soap. It helps the solution spread across surfaces and stick better instead of immediately running off. Give everything a good stir until it's fully combined. Now pour the mixture into a clean spray bottle. Spray it directly to the plants or anywhere you've seen ant trails and aphids, and they will be gone for good. The strong mixture discourages them from continuing to travel through the same spots.